Hello friends, today we discuss how to use multiple fields in Python. In this video I am covering syntax of multiple if else statement, example program using both Python 2.7 and 3.7. We take one input at a time as well as several inputs at a time. So start with syntax. If condition 1, then the true statement. If the condition is false, we can use if and condition 2. Then true statement. Elif, condition and true statement. If none of these condition is true, else part will get executed. Now we have to design program. First I'm using ideally 2.7. Go to file menu and say new file. I am covering greatest of three numbers. And first I'm taking one input at a time. So we write a equal to input and gives a message like enter A. Similarly, we have to ask user to enter B and C. Now we have to apply if condition. If A greater than B and A greater than C, we can say A is greatest. In Python 3.7, we have to give brackets in print statement, but not required in 2.7. If A is not greatest, we have to compare B and C. If B is greatest, we can say B is greatest. But if B is not the greatest, we can say C is greatest. Now the program is ready. Save it. I am saving this program as greatest.py. Run module. First number is 1, second number is 2, and third number is 3. So it says 3 is greatest. Now we have to take multiple inputs together. So I am commenting these 3 lines. Now I am writing ABC. This is tuple, and using map function to convert a string into integer. For string, we have to use raw input in Python 2.7. I am asking user to enter 3 values separated by spaces, and using the split function to split those values into 3 tuples. Now save this program and execute it. We are giving 1, 3, 2. So it says 3 is greatest. Now we have to design same program using Python 3.7. So just close it and use ideally Python 3.7. File menu, new file, and then we have to use one input at a time. So I am commenting this line and reactivating these 3 lines. In Python 3.7, input takes string data. So we have to use eval function to convert this string data into number. So this is the change. And similarly, we have to use brackets here. So these are the few changes that we have to make so that this program works in 3.7. I am saving this program, greatest.py. Save. Now run it. 1, 4, 3. So 4 is greatest. Now we have to take multiple inputs together. So deactivating these 3 lines and reactivating this line. Now there's no need to write raw input. Simply we can write input and we can execute the program. 1, 2, 1. So it says 2 is greatest. So friends, hope you like this video. So kindly subscribe. Thanks.